Sammy, it's your boy. Keeps me back. Y'all fuck with that? Yeah, that shit was hot as a bitch. I'm gonna try to make this intro as like as short and sweet as possible. If you read about the title already, it's kind of a little vault work. This little video I had in the vault since 2023. I think like July. Everything. So the carving section of this video that happened in July 2023, and I'm probably gonna add like another part in before that. Probably this, and then probably another part. Probably like something that happened recently, like 2024 recently. So yeah. Make sure y'all like this video, comment on this video, and also let me know in the comments what you do want to see on the channel, because I am trying to post 4 videos a month every month this year. We're gonna roll to 200, and hope you enjoyed this video. Watch the whole video, and if you haven't watched all 4 videos I posted in January, go back and watch those before you watch this one. And it's gonna be the first video of February, I think. Yeah. We back. So boom, we just made it to the first location. They trying to shut down under the bridge, bro. Some of these niggas are trying to go home. Look, niggas at the crib with it. Sound like somebody got hit already. See what you about to do, y'all.
Hey, I only said.